The headlines. Third International Yoga Day observed widely in state. Ill health creates no positive thoughts, no peace without positive thoughts, says Chief Minister N. Biren. And World Music Day observed, Art and Culture Minister laments condition of Cultural University. Good evening, viewers. Now let's move on to the news in detail. As observed all over the country and the world, the third International Yoga Day was observed at many places in Manipur today. Department of Health Services, National Health Mission, Directorate of Ayush and Department of Youth Affairs and Sports observed the day at Khuman Lampak Indoor Stadium. Union Minister of Human Resource Development Prakash Javadekar, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren, Health Minister L. Jayantakumar, Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen, IFCD Minister Letpao Haukip, Parliamentary Secretaries and many high-ranking officials of both civil and police took part in the observance. Union Minister Prakash Javadekar said, yoga helps both body and mind of a person to lead toward the right path. He said, under the initiative of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, yoga has been recognized by the United Nations General Assembly to celebrate it at the international level. Today's Yoga Day is being celebrated in a total of 190 countries across the world.
देश भर में 1 लाख से भी ज्यादा केंद्रों पर आज योगा के कार्यक्रम योग कर रहे हैं और दुनिया के 190 से ज्यादा देशों में आज योगा हो रहा है। भारत की ये सॉफ्ट पावर है। भारत के पुरातन विज्ञान का यह आविष्कार है जिससे शरीर और मन स्वस्थ रहता है।
Chief Minister N. Biren said, yoga is a gift presented by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to bring peace in the world. An unhealthy person has no positive thoughts. Negative thoughts lead to a disturbed society, added Chief Minister N. Biren.
Prime Minister Modi United Nations India Pitribi Pumbugi Wina, Masi Sanahan Rangasi, International Yoga Day, Pangtok Matawaisa, Masi Bharat Masramana, Amawina, because of Kuksani.
Health Minister L. Jayantakumar said, yoga is an exercise which balances the mind and body of a person. Chief Minister N. Biren flagged off a procession from Khuman Lampak as part of the Yoga Day celebration. The procession, after passing through many areas in Imphal city, finally converged at Khuman Lampak. International Yoga Day has been celebrated at Khuman Lampak Multi-Purpose Hall as well. Speaker of Manipur State Legislative Assembly Y. Khemchan, Forest Minister T.H. Shyamkumar, Advisor to the Chief Minister M.L.A. Sarat and personalities like King Leisemba Sana Chauba attended the function. Speaker Y. Khemchan said, yoga is a type of an exercise keeping the mind and body not only fit but also lends harmony in the body.
Pitribi United Nations Putoktana Yogi Masana Sibu Masi Kana Basi Kangalagana Baraki Mai Widana Asidi Narendra Modi Jina Putopa Wakalundana Barki Mai Widana City International Yoga Day Haina Pangan Pangtopa Yoga Pangasi Masi Kredisi Sri Narendra Modi Dai Pijanigi.
Bharat Swabhiman Trust, Patanjali Yoga Samiti, Mahila Patanjali Samiti, Yuva Bharat and Patanjali Kishan Seva Manipur organized Yoga Day at Khuman Lampak Fencing Hall. Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar, Chief Patron of Bharat Swabhiman Trust Manipur, Basudar Singh, Chairman of Manipur Medical Council, Professor Sinam Rajendra, Editor of Naharol Git Hogdang, Khoirom Loya Lakpa, etc. attended the celebration. Vidya Yoga Santha Manipur also organized International Yoga Day at ISBT Khuman Lampak. Parliamentary Secretary Nahakpam Indrajit, Mahamantri of Bihangam Yoga Northeast States Jogindra Gupta, Mahamantri of Bihangam Yoga Manipur State Satsamaj Mukesh Kumar Shah, MC Binod and Advocate N.G. Tejkumar attended the celebration. Parliamentary Secretary Indrajit said, yoga helps maintain a peaceful state of mind and body.
Dr. Yendra Yaba, Maming Chalava, medicine Adugumna, yoga Bisu, Sushu Shudra, Mipung Pudimona Pungaima, Militado Junumagi, Tauragati, Aksang Pabase, Sushu Shudra. The
third International Yoga Day was celebrated at Chandrakriti Auditorium, Palace Compound, organized by Prajapati Brahma Kumaris Ishwarya Vishwavidyalaya, Imphal Center. Vice President of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Jotin Waikom, Managing Director of CJ Hospitals, Dr. K.H. Palin, Professor of Manipur University Raj Mohan and in charge of Brahma Kumari Manipur, Yogini Brahma Kumari Nilima attended the celebration. BJP Khetrigao Mandal organized International Yoga Day at Pechumayum Mandap at Kongpal Iranpam. MLA and Parliamentary Secretary N. Indrajit, President of the Mandal O. Lakshman and many people attended the program. Indrajit said yoga centers will be opened in different places. BJP Thoubal district observed the International Day of Yoga at Thoubal Lairanthem Mandap today. BJP Khangabok Mandal also observed the day at its office at Khangabok. BJP Thoubal Mandal, led by BJP leader L. Basanta, observed the day at office of the Thoubal Mandal today. BJP Wangjing Tentha Kendra also observed the day at Khongjong War Memorial Complex. Many places in Thoubal district also celebrated International Yoga Day. Such a program was organized by International Yoga Celebration Committee Thoubal at Thoubal Achoba Kaithel Makhalaikai Community Hall. Chairperson of Thoubal Municipal Council T.H. Shamo and many people attended the program. 32 CRPF Battalion at Kom Kairap Loktak Project under Churachandpur district celebrated International Yoga Day today. Many commanders of the battalion and CRPF personnel attended the celebration led by Commanding Officer of the battalion Raj Gopal. Nature Cure Yoga Hospital Kongba MCM Tamil Sangam More organized International Yoga Day at Ima Kondong Larambi Haraubung More Ward No. 7 under the sponsorship of Central Council for Research and Yoga and Naturopathy. 39 Assam Rifles of 28th Sector Assam Rifles celebrated International Yoga Day at 28 Assam Rifles headquarters at Kakching. Special Area Game Center Kumanlam Park organized Yoga Day at the Indoor Hall. The month-long training program has been concluded today. Speaker Y. Kim Chan, in charge of Special Area Game Center L. Ibumcha, Secretary General of Manipur Olympic Association Sunil Alangbam, and Director of Sai NERC Imphal Francis Marvin and Assistant Director of Sai NERC Imphal Lian Menthang were the main guests at the function. IOC Imphal Divisional Office and Patanjali Yoga Samiti of Chingmairong has organized a third International Yoga Day at SS Devi Town Hall in Chingmairong. Divisional Officer of Imphal IOC S.I. Singh was the main guest at the function. On the other hand, First Emma organized the third International Yoga Day at Manipur Rifles campus for the first time. Many places across the state celebrated third International Yoga Day. Nehru Yuva Kendra and Manipur University also celebrated the day at Centenary Hall. Vice Chancellor of Manipur University Adya Prasad Pandey and many others attended the celebration. Bharat Swabhiman Trust and Patanjali Yoga Samiti Imphal West has organized Yoga Day celebration at Herangoithong Multipurpose Hall. Speaker Y. Kim Chan, BST District Prabhari M. Charan Singh, President of Social Workers Club of Herangoithong S. Ibohal were the main guest of the function. NCERT Lamphel organized International Yoga Day at the Conference Hall of NCERT. Director of NCERT P. Minakumari, joint directors and many officials attended the program. Teachers, students and staff of Bairodan Maxwell Hindi Primary School celebrated International Yoga Day at the school. Headmistress expressed that yoga is being celebrated in schools under the directive of Prime Minister. Minister of Art and Culture L. Jayantakumar has said that even as art and culture has great responsibility in promoting the state in the outside world, the field of art and culture still needs a lot of improvement. He was speaking at the World Music Day celebration jointly organized by Manipur Music Association and Sri Sri Bal Mukunda Deva Music College held at Lamyanba Sanglen today. President of All Manipur Music Association Dr. Jodha Chandra Sanasam and Director of Art and Culture Dr. K. Sushila were the main guest at the Music Day celebration. Director Dr. K. Sushila said the Sri Sri Bal Mukunda Deva Music College, also known as Government Music College, lack staffs. Some of the music teachers at the college are paid on daily basis. She drew attention of the minister concerned to look into the matter. Minister L. Jayantakumar blamed the previous government of leaving the college in such a condition. Much of the people don't know where the cultural university is opened. Hardly anyone knows the condition of the Film Institute of the state. The state faces embarrassment when foreigners visit to research the art and culture of the state. He sought people's cooperation in trying to develop and promote art and culture of Manipur.
Time will pass out. But I'm not going but over the photo, come over Macali Potama, Mission Grady, the Obadakale, the Masakamiam, coming up at it's my Morella Pilla to Guy. I know how to see the town, the Tendere experience.
On the other hand, the Fairjol High School located in Fairjol district is under pathetic condition even after Human Resource Minister Prakash Javadekar promised there will be no fund shortage in education sector. Hired substitute teachers have been teaching the students due to failure in attendance of permanently employed teachers of the school. We have a report. MLA S. Bira inaugurated the newly constructed Maira shed under MLA Local Area Development Fund near Wangu Ahallu Bridge and handed over to the people. MLA Bira said if the funds sanctioned are utilized in a proper manner, benefits will be ascertained by the people. Parliamentary Secretary of Mahood N. Indrajit inaugurated Bank of Baroda Kongba branch at Kongba Khetri Laikai today. General Manager of Bank of Baroda Kolkata branch A.K. Pemdu and other top-ranking officers of the bank attended the inaugural function. People should ensure that they clear the loans they had taken in time, the Parliamentary Secretary N. Indrajit stated. Traffic Control Police Churachandpur has organized a road safety campaign at Churachandpur today. During the campaign, a pamphlet with traffic rules was distributed to the public. Additional SP Operations Pumarjit has said that the main objective of the campaign was to spread awareness to the public about traffic rules, and by following the traffic rules, it can cut down some road accidents to an extent.
Accident ki changsi yam kahena thokpa masina marum orkanda misimina suinaiba disfigure ro kaya am thorpa masi puno masi phanana SP changki asana mi makada akoi ngasi aiba namisidagi district police Chusampur amadi Chusampur police ki makada leiba traffic police na akoi ngasi khanna drive ama asi hongupseri.
5 patients have been getting free treatment at JNIMS under its free treatment scheme for those living below poverty line. Under the supervision of Chief Minister N. Biren, who is also the chairman of JNIMS, these 5 patients have been provided free dialysis along with free treatment under the free treatment scheme by Director of JNIMS Devin Laishram, doctors and staffs of JNIMS. Families and kin of these patients thanked the Chief Minister and Director of JNIMS for such an act who cannot afford medical expenses. Manipur State Legal Service Authority today opened an Office of Legal Establishment at the complex of Manipur High Court at Mantripukri. Manipur High Court Judge Justice K.H. Nobin inaugurated the office building. Speaking to media persons, Advocate Raghumani of Manipur State Legal Services Authority said the Legal Assistance Establishment Office opened today will help a lot to the people who need legal assistance and wanted to know about a law as well. Besides, people can take the legal assistance from the office through telephone or video conference, he added.
Telephone ki kuthang da video conferencing ki kuthang da adum makoi na lawu ya na bi dam takoi na helpline number na sing lei makoi da koi na dum matam chana media ki through khangan ngani phamna matam mangdana amadi satop khotob yaudana any information khanimak to lawu ya na bi gi makta adum ba khudong saw de pbi ya na baina maroi na hang ba adum makal gi center ni
1,786 requisite qualification scale teachers that have been given the order of regularization have not been put into action till today. Besides, salary for 10 months has not been paid. As a result, the teachers have started phase-wise fast onto that protest at Khuyathong Pukri at Chobamani. The protest demonstration was organized by All Manipur Elementary School Teachers Association. Altogether, 8 teachers have started to undergo fast onto that protest as the first phase. Secretary of the association, Shanti Kumar, expressed strong resentment over victimization of teachers. He drew the attention of the Chief Minister, Finance Minister and Education Minister to settle the matter.
Tolok Pangdragadi Kari Orangati to Pali Sakar Senak Kangan Lingi Aruga Hari by Koigi demand singers a Pangdaba Taragadi Koi Kasi Satariba Sumna Piers Menar Kayada Matang Kush Dribhausara Henry Kongjans and Zarakani.
A protest demonstration was staged near Thoubal District Hospital against a suspension of gynecologist of Thoubal District Hospital, Dr. Subhash Chandra, without giving any specific reasons. JAC formed against the doctor's suspension staged a protest demonstration. The JAC cautioned of launching various agitations if the reason for Dr. Subhash Chandra's suspension is not let known publicly. Manipur Tribal Development Corporation MTDC today celebrated its 30th Foundation Day at the office of the corporation at Lamphel. Tribal Affairs Minister N. Kaishi, Parliamentary Secretary Planning Kasim Ruiva and Chairman of the corporation Wungzagin Walte were the main guest. Speaking at the function, Kasim Ruiva said, most of the corporations have been dissolved, however, the Tribal Development Corporation still exists. A corporation could be existed if and when the staffs, engineers and contractors go hand in hand, he opined. In a speech, Tribal Affairs Minister N. Kaishi said, many changes have been seen in the state after the installation of BJP-led new government. As there is a new government, a lot of changes could be seen in the corporation, Minister Kaishi added. The second batch alumni of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Vishnupur that was established in 1998 honored the then teachers and staffs of Vidyalaya at a simple function held at Takmu, Moirang. Teachers, staffs and the students of second batch of the school attended the formal program. The students, who now belong to different walks of life, also brought their families to show affection for the teachers who once paved their ways to success. The alumni presented simple gifts to the teachers and staffs to express gratitude for their priceless teaching and guidance. Vice President of BJP Manipur Pradesh M. Ashni Kumar was one of the alumni who bowed and sought blessings as they presented simple gifts to the teachers and staffs. Two books titled Laisu Ahum Suba and Asamba Manipuri Puwari, published by Leibag Kanba Ahanlup Laikanlup, were released today. The releasing function was held at the Literary Hall of Daily Newspaper Huyen Lanpao at Sega Road. Principal of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School P.H. Landoni, retired Deputy Director of Education S. Sobam Eric Homba Luwang, and Associate Professor of Lilong Haurabi College Dr. N. Bir Chandra attended as main guest of the book releasing function. Speaking at the function, a representative of Laikan Loop said the main objective of publishing the books was to give awareness of the behavior, attitude and tradition of Manipur to the young generation. Some noted writers are refusing to write books for the generation to come in every aspect. It is very unfortunate, the representative of Laikan Loop lamented. Now before we wind up, the headlines once again. Third International Yoga Day observed widely in state. Ill Health Center creates no positive thoughts, no peace without positive thoughts, says Chief Minister N. Biren. And World Music Day observed, Art and Culture Minister laments condition of Cultural University. Now this brings us to the end of today's News in English. Thank you very much for joining us. Have a good night.